How to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. You can directly transfer PayPal funds to Binance. However, you can use third-party services like P2P trading or Paxful to convert your PayPal balance into cryptocurrency and send it to Binance. So, first of all, create an account on P2P platform like Paxful and log in. Search for offers where sellers accept PayPal as a payment method. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy and set your payment method to PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to spend, example $10, and browse through the offers. Now open Binance app and go to Buy Crypto. Select P2P Trading, choose PayPal, and select cryptocurrency you want to buy. Find a seller who accepts PayPal and agrees to the terms. Ensure the seller has good reputations. Once you confirm the transaction, make the payment via PayPal and afterward, the crypto will be credited to your Binance wallet. This process usually takes around 15 to 30 minutes for the transaction to complete and you will successfully transfer money from PayPal to Binance. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.